Hello everyone, welcome to maths video, class 6th. Please see the video. These are extra questions for ratio chapter 11. I have uploaded special video for this. Then too, this is once again. Kritika, you requested me to send it on attachment, but it's not happening. I tried before making video, I tried for attachment, but it was not happening. So just pause the video and please see it, okay? Extremely sorry, attachment was not working. Not working means it was very slow. So please see. And the most important part is new paper pattern of maths. Last time which I have given, please cancel it. This is very extremely important part which I am explaining. Do not forget to watch this video because new paper pattern I have introduced. This will be followed. New paper pattern, class 6 maths, 50 marks. Okay, 10 marks internal will not be there. Directly written. So you will have two sections, section A and section B. So section A, there will be total 10 marks. Each will carry 3. So 30 marks. And section B, there will be only 5 questions, 4 marks each. So 5 4s are 20. So 30 plus 20, 50. So there will be no choice. All the 15 questions will be in compulsory mode. Means there will be total 15 questions, out of which 10 will be for 3 marks and 5 will be for 4 marks. There is no choice, children. Section A compulsory, section B compulsory. Alright, I hope you have understood the new pattern. So if your friends are not in connection, they are not watching video, please, it's my request that please let them understand the new pattern paper if they are not watching video. Some students I know, they are doing self-study. They don't need videos, school videos. So please let them know that there is new pattern paper pattern which they have to understand. Okay. So let's come back to now extra questions I have given. So what you have to do is please go through, solve examples also. So we were here. I have explained this in extra questions. X square I have to written, many students they have asked this in the doubt. X square is x square, you can write x into x upon 4 multiplied by x. So if x cube is there, x will be multiplied 3 times, x into x into x. If x raised to 4, x will be multiplied by 4 times. Okay. So you can go through previous videos also. A field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide. Find the ratio of its width to its length. So 80 upon 60 you can do it. Okay. Width to length. Width to length. Okay. 60 upon 80. So 6 by 8. 0 0 cancel. 60 upon 80 you have to do. Because it's width to its length. Width to length. So 60 upon 80. 60 is to 80. And this, if you will see, there is the ratio of 15 kg and 35 kg same as the ratio of 6 years to 14 years. So 15 is to 35 and 6 is to 14. So do the cancellation, division or product of extremes, product of means. If they both come equal, if this comes equal to this, then we say that they are in proportion. Okay, or we say that they are same. Still okay. Same way this fifth question also. 6 is to 15 and 36 is to 90, or 6 upon 15 and 36 upon 90. Do the cancellation, see if they come equal. If they come equal, then no issues. They are in ratio. Find the ratio between this and this. I have explained it. See, convert meter. This is centimeter. This is meter. So convert meter this to in centimeter. And then you will see that all the three numbers, they come in one table. So divide it by certain number. That certain number I have explained in previous videos. You will get this answer. Please go through this video again. This means where I have explained this. Okay. Next is find the ratio between 5 dozen and 2 scores. 5 dozen, 1 dozen is 12 and 2 score, 1 score is 20. So 5 dozen means 60 and 2 score means 40. 2 multiplied by 20 and 5 multiplied by 12. Understand this, 1 score is 20. In exam this won't be given if it comes for the exam. In test you should know 1 score equals to 20. I hope you are understanding. Okay, please try this question for homework. Go through the previous video or classwork. If you have solved, I hope your classworks are complete. Okay, then example 6, these types important ones. Okay, so you can go through. These are all important types of questions. Same way it is explained. So monthly salary of a person is 12,000 and his monthly expenditure is 8,500. Find the ratio of his salary to expenditure. See, salary is given. Expenditure means how much he has spent. कितना उसने खर्च किया. So it is 8,500. So 12,000 salary is there and 8,500 he has spent. That is expenditure means spending. Expenditure means kharcha karna, spending. So he has spent 8,500. So how much is left? That is saving. Saving is how much is left? 12,000 minus 8,500 is saving. So salary to expenditure means salary is 12,000, expenditure is 8,500. So 12,000 upon 8,500. So similarly you have to bring it to lowest form. Okay, same way here also. So these are all same types of examples which we have seen. So if you please go through this textbook and revise it. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, so this is also, if you will see, reduce each of the following ratios in the lowest term. First do the conversion. R equals to 1, R equals to 60. So 60 plus 20, 80. 80 is to 2 hours. 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 60. So 120. So 80 is to 120. So 1 hour is 60. 60 plus 20, 80. 80 is to 2 hours. 2 hours, 1 hour equals to 60. So 2 60s are 120. So 80 is to 120. So divide it, bring it to lowest form. Similarly, all conversions you have to do it. Okay. So please go through these word problems. Go through my previous videos which are related to this and try to resolve all the questions. Okay, these examples are very, very important. Okay. So same way, this is also very, very important type of questions. Divide 99 into 3 parts in the ratio 2, 4, 5. So when this type of comes, that divide one certain number is given and divide it into ratio. First find total. What is the total? 2 plus 4 plus 5, 11. So first part is 2 out of total multiplied by this whole number. So 2 upon 11 multiplied by 99. Do the 11 ones are 11 nines are. So 2 9s are 18. Similarly 4 out of 11 into 99. 11 nines are 4 9s are 36. Third part 5 upon 11 into 99. 5 upon 11 into 99. 11 nines are 5 9s are 45. Okay. So try to solve these questions. I'll explain 11C in next video. Alright, extra questions, please solve them. They are very, very important, and go through the new pattern paper. Okay, thank you so much and take care.